These unassuming brushes, crafted from flexible and durable silicone, are not just cleaning tools. They represent a harmonious blend of functionality, hygiene, and modernity. Picture the oft-neglected chore of toilet cleaning, the nooks and crannies that traditional brushes struggle to reach. The silicone toilet brush becomes your reliable companion, offering a thorough and hygienic cleanse with its flexible silicone bristles that adapt to the unique contours of your toilet bowl. This isn't just a cleaning tool, it's an instrument of bathroom cleanliness, turning each scrub into a note in the symphony of your daily sanitation routine. The adaptability of the silicone toilet brush shines through as it caters to various toilet shapes and sizes. Its flexible bristles reach corners and under the rim, ensuring a comprehensive clean without the risk of scratching or damaging porcelain. Operation is a breeze with this brush. No need for excessive force or multiple passes to achieve a sparkling result. The silicone material provides both durability and a hygienic advantage as it resists bacteria buildup and is easy to clean. Crafted from high-quality, water-resistant silicone, the silicone toilet brush emphasizes not just cleaning efficiency, but also durability. It withstands the demands of regular use and maintains its effectiveness over time, ensuring that your bathroom companion remains a trustworthy choice for the long run. These silicone brushes aren't just about scrubbing toilets. They represent an upgrade in bathroom hygiene and a commitment to modern, easy-to-maintain sanitation practices. Crafted from resilient materials, they embody a dedication to ensuring your bathroom remains a clean and inviting space. The silicone toilet brush is a whispersome revolution in the grand narrative of bathroom cleanliness. It transforms the routine task of toilet cleaning into a symphony of efficiency and hygiene, reminding us that even the simplest additions to our daily rituals can play a pivotal role in elevating our bathroom experiences. So, embrace the subtle brilliance of the silicone toilet brush, where every scrub becomes a note in the orchestrated melody of contemporary bathroom innovation.